Meaning of ipso facto.
Ipso facto.
Ipso facto.
Ipso facto.
Ipso facto. Ipso facto is a Latin phrase that means, by the very fact itself. It is used to express the idea that because one thing is true, another thing must also be true as a result. In other words, it implies a cause and effect relationship between two things. For example, if someone commits a crime and is caught, they are ipso facto guilty of that crime. The phrase is often used in legal contexts to establish an automatic consequence or conclusion based on a predetermined set of circumstances.